So, you've been accepted to Kettering University. All right, it's cool, exciting, and daunting all at the same time, right? Yeah, I remember that. See, I'm about to graduate from Kettering University, but I still remember all the questions I had when I first started, especially about the co-op program. I mean, going from high school to college classes and working at some big company in my freshman year, there were people there to help me. I started with a long list of questions, like how do I research all the companies that offer co-op jobs through Kettering? What kind of jobs do they have? What's an employment fair and how does it work? And what about outside of Michigan? Where do I live? The first thing I learned was I didn't need to stress about it. Kettering has a whole team of co-op managers to help, and they really do help. So while you're still wrapping up your senior year, here's what you can expect. You'll get a booklet called the Co-op Search Guidelines. This is your go-to guide. It has info on the process of searching for a co-op. It's informative and good to keep handy along the way. Next, you'll go to an admitted student program on campus. That's where I learned all the things I needed to do and how Kettering's many co-op managers could help, like with resumes, interviews, and choosing a co-op. The helpful stuff. They're called co-op managers, but they're really mentors, and I've got to tell you, they've helped me understand the co-op process. These are the people you need to know. Each one covers different territories and companies, but they're experts in everything co-op. They'll be your most valuable resource until you graduate, probably after, too. Next, consider the Co-op Upclose Events, where you can go to a company and see how they operate. This is a front-row VIP experience inside a company. You'll get a feel for how co-ops work and talk to employers, student mentors, and even Kettering graduates who work there. And the best part? You'll graduate with confidence and up to 2 years of actual work experience. Because when you started as a student at Kettering, you also started your career. And when you get that degree, you're already on your way to the career you want. Maybe even to the boardroom. If you're ready to be Kettering built, co-op managers are here to help. Get started right now. Visit kettering.edu/co-op.